Assalamu alaikum guys, what's going on? So today I'll show you another uh, video about how to boost your computer, a tool that will really insanely boost your FPS. Not only the FPS, definitely your computer performance will be improved with this tool. And you can download this tool from the Microsoft official website. Just go on browser, just select any browser, and then I'm highly recommending, if you are not using the Google Chrome, then should we go on Google Chrome and then type here the RAM map tool, because Google Chrome will provide you the exact path, the exact website. Now here you can see this is the official Microsoft website. Just open this tool, this website, and here you will get the download RAM map. Now here all the precautions, like the benefits and the further about this tool, you can read here and download this. It's only around 671 KB. Yeah, it's a small tool, but don't worry, it will work. Just right clicking on taskbar and now opening the task manager. Now go into the performance tab, and once you here, you can simply go here into the open resource monitor. Once you here, just select the memory, and I just restarted my computer right now, and you can see here the 2 GB is in use, and also reserve almost the 2 GB in reserve. So whenever I do some further programs, like using further programs, for example I'm opening here the Photoshop and some other tools, then my RAM should be goes higher than like 4 GB. And as you can see, still it's increasing, the services are still running and closing, so it's increasing and decreasing right now. But almost now I have only 4 GB free, 3.9 GB free space in my RAM. Now what this tool will do, not only clearing your RAM properly, but it will definitely clear the resource from your CPU, from your GPU, and from your hard disk drive. So that's the way you can get a better performance from this tool. Here is the tool. I'm just opening this. Now after applying all the empty sets, you will see a huge decreaseness in the CPU and all these things. So here I am opening the resource monitor of my RAM and just trying the empty sets one by one, and on the left side you can see it's clearing. Now definitely if usage has been cleared, it will also reduce the stress from my CPU. So you can apply once or twice, it will just impact only once. And you can also refresh here and you can see the new result here. Okay, anyways, it will sometimes a bit stuck. And now you can see here is the decrease, it's decreasing right now. This is the huge usage, and now you can see the further usage has been decreased, and further it will go down. And as you can see here, the RAM definitely, and here is the hard disk before, and now you can see it's just now almost down. Now about GPU, don't worry about my GPU, because I have a bad GPU. I am recording on my GPU encoders. It's NVIDIA GT610 1GB DDR3 memory bandwidth interface. So DDR3 is not good enough with 64-bit bandwidth. It's not a good CPU. So don't worry about my GPU, but it will reduce your GPU performance definitely. So try this tool now, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.